Okay, hi guys. So I am about to actually go out and go thrifting to do that video that I've been talking about, to show you guys some valuable things that you can find in the thrift stores and vintage stores that aren't actually Lolita brands or anything like that, but you can totally work into your wardrobe. It's going to be like significantly cheaper, more sustainable, and more fun, to be honest. So I'll take you guys with me, and yeah, let's go. The value world first. We don't know if we're gonna find anything. Okay, the first thing you have to do is look at the basic colors. So like in all of these, this could be potential, but it's more so like gothic because of the pointiness. I would totally add details to these items, but it's a great start for basics. And I didn't really find that many things in the value world, but we'll see some other things coming up. So I did find this shirt in the black blouse section, and I think that it's pretty suitable for Lolita as it has these pin tucks and there's a little bit of a bow that you can tie in the front of the neck, which I have been seeing more in Lolita lately. It is a button up and it does offer some poofy sleeves. Next, I found this black bolero. I think that that's something that's often excused from thrift stores, is that you can find a ton of really cute cardigans and boleros that fit the Lolita style perfectly. If you look at actual brand cardigans and boleros, they do look very similar to things that you can find in the thrift store. So I'll show you guys some boleros that I found that I think fit really well with the Lolita style, and do not cost that much. This one was only $6.70, which is actually on the pricier side for thrift stores, but prices were going up at this time. But yeah, so let's check some out. So this is another bolero that I found that fits kind of like the Innocent World one that I showed, and it's really cute for the winter and fall. So this one is more on the casual side, or like the larme side, but I figured I'd show it anyways because it could do really cute for like a country or even like a Sweet Lolita look for casual wear. So this one is definitely more for like Gothic Lolita or ouji. It's definitely more elegant and classic looking. You can also use it for like a classic look. But yeah, I thought this was like a really good find. It's very vampiric. I really like it a lot, and it's like a velveteen. Okay, and now we're going to go into blouses and cutsos. So here I am looking through the white blouse section in the Salvation Army. I didn't really find anything at first, but then I found this blouse that I think could go pretty good with ouji stuff. At first I was like, I don't know, but I was thinking more about it, and I think it's pretty suitable for ouji and even more of like a vintage classic look. Possibly even gothic. It's just very Victorian. This blouse was also a possibility due to the lace, but I kind of passed it off because I thought it was a bit too casual and basic looking. I then found this really cute cutso. I feel like this would be perfect for a casual classic look. I just can see it so well in like an Innocent World kind of outfit. It's also just like black and white. It's just the perfect kind of basic cutso, and it seems really comfortable, and the little bow is just the perfect simple look to give the Lolita style. I also found this crew neck sweater that I think would go really well for a casual sweet look or any Lolita look, to be honest, because the heart is just adorable, and it just reminds me of all of the delicate details that are in Lolita fashion, and I think it'd be so good for a casual winter look or even for like fairy cake. But I think if you really wanted to add more to this to really push Lolita, I would add a detachable furry faux collar or even just a detachable lacy collar. So this is the blouse that I completely fell in love with, ended up actually purchasing for myself. I didn't buy all of these items that I'm showing you because I can't keep all of this stuff in my wardrobe, but this one is like of the perfect 80s vintage blouse that I feel like goes really well with Lolita. It's got scallops, it's a button up, the collar is just amazing, the details and the embroidery is just so cute.
Now at first for this blouse, I wasn't too sure, but the more I looked at it, I was like, yeah, this is actually so cute for like a Victorian maiden kind of casual look for Lolita. I just thought it was like really like country girl. It was just adorable and I wanted to show it off. And then for this last top, I know people are going to think I'm crazy for even putting this in this video, but it gives me a lot of like fruits looks, and also I just feel like it's very experimental for any kind of Lolita or jfashions style. I just feel like it's very reminiscent of the early 2000s, so I think you could very easily make this into a casual experimental coordinate. And actually, I'm going to show you guys right now how you can put all of these items that I showed you into a Lolita or a J-fashion coordinate. So for coordinate number 1, I tried to go with a black and white theme. I found this Elda skirt from Innocent World that I thought would fit the black poofy blouse the best. I also went with some black striped twin ribbon clips from Innocent World. And then I did some more accessories with the Little Witch in Kitten World pearl lace frill cuffs from Baby the Star Shine Bright, and then some cross earrings. And for the bag, I did the ribbon heart bag from Baby the Star Shine Bright because this is a very iconic black and white piece. It also has the stripes on the ribbons that match the clips that I put on, as well as the wrist cuffs. It also goes really well for a black and white coordinate. And then I also felt like this coordinate was really fitting for the white bolero that I showed you. I just think that it really fits the classic but a little bit of old school vibe, as well as having some just high heel Mary Janes and high socks. Okay, and then for the second coordinate, I'm using that white blouse that I said would be really good for ouji. I don't usually wear ouji, but I'm going to make a coordinate for it. So to pair with the blouse, I did these Eleonora Capriccio Swings the Curtain pants from Alice and the Pirates. I just love the details on this design, and I feel like it makes it pop and look more elegant and extravagant with the simple elements in the coordinate. And then on top of that, I felt like the black vampiric looking velveteen jacket that I found also paired really well with this outfit. And then for accessories, I felt like a simple black beret and then some golden circle glasses with a necktie that I think would be really cute from Moine Montier, and then some simple frilly high socks and black Oxford heels. Okay, and for the third coordinate, we are doing a casual sweet look with the white and black cutsew that I showed you, and Innocent World's candy poodle skirt in the black colorway. For shoes and accessories, I'm doing the Maylene double ribbon cutter shoes from Bodyline in the white colorway, some black frilly short socks, and then a sugar snow candy necklace from Q-Pot, as well as just some pearl earrings, some pearl pink and pearl colored bracelets, some pink and white hair clips, and a pink beret. I also added the black bolero that I showed you in the beginning of this video because I felt like it added to the frilliness and was a perfect casual bolero to wear. Okay, now for coordinate number 4, I wanted to do another sweet casual look, except more AP this time. So I did the white cutsew that I showed you earlier with the heart embroidery look, and with that I wanted to do AP's chocolate chun going out applique skirt because I think that it goes really well together and it gives more of a winter look. For the shoes and socks, I just did the heart heel pumps from Bodyline in the pink colorway with some white frilly socks. And for the accessories, I wanted to do the chocolate chun going out head bow in pink to match the skirt, a faux fluffy collar with a pink ribbon, and then the present ribbon heart bag by AP. For coordinate number 5, we are doing the western country looking blouse that's floral, and we're doing an Alicia apron JSK from Shiglet, and some Oxford brown shoes, and cream colored tights. For accessories, we are going to do the torchon lace full bonnet from Baby, and then the summer walk basket bag from Baby. With all these things together, I think we have a cute and simple country coordinate. For coordinate number 6, I did the white blouse that I purchased for myself with a gingham check tiered skirt from Metamorphose, as well as white short frilly socks and some black loafers. And for accessories, I did this gingham headdress style headband from Metamorphose and a cherry print basket bag by Meta as well. And then just some cherry earrings to top it all off. And for the final coordinate, we are using the pinkish purple colored top that I thought was kind of experimental and doing a little bit of a punk Lolita look. So we're matching it with the check switching skirt from Putameo and some black see-through tights with a pair of black combat / Doc Marten kind of boots to give a more punk feel. And for accessories, we are using the ribbon two-way headdress, which can also be used as a choker, which I did in this look from Putameo, and then just some simple pink and white clips to match the skirt. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and took some tips from what I could show you in this video, and leave a comment down below on your favorite coordinate and I would be happy to hear from you. So thank you for the support and I hope you enjoyed.